Welcome back to Phone Transformer, where today I am going to show you how to sign up for Capcut so you can start editing your videos like a pro. Creating an account is the best way to save your projects and access premium features. So now let's get started. Step 1 is to open the Capcut app on your mobile device by tapping the icon on your home screen or app drawer. This is the first thing you need to do to access the interface where all the video editing tools are located. Step 2 involves looking at the terms of service and then tapping on the agree and continue button. This is a standard requirement that ensures you understand the app's privacy policy and rules before you begin using its features. Step 3 is to simply click on skip when the initial advertisement or tutorial screens appear on your display. Skipping these prompts allows you to move directly into the main dashboard of the app without wasting any extra time. Step 4 is to navigate to the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on the Me option. This tab is where your personal settings and profile information are stored, and it is the gateway to managing your account. Step 5 requires you to tap on the profile icon located at the top of the menu to open your account settings. Entering this section is important because it allows you to choose exactly how you want to link your identity to the application. Step 6 is to click on the Sign In with Google button to automatically sync your existing account with the app. This method is the fastest and most secure way to register because it saves your progress to the cloud without needing a new password. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.